off time then.
Estrada.
Good effort. Oh, excellent goalkeeping. It's a chance. Cleared in no-nonsense fashion. Ecuador attacking. There to be hit. Oh, he hasn't hit the target.
Oh, that's a good effort. That wasn't easy from there.
Rodriguez.
Caicedo. He can put a crossover now. Will he find a man? Managed to get in the way of it. Great diving save by the keeper, good stop. There's a corner to defend. There's a real attacking intent about them at the moment. They forced a corner, always a danger. What's a crack? Scores! They made the breakthrough! He's deserved that for all he does for the whole team.
And now he's scoring goals as well. He's got the lot, this man. Far too many teams these days just bang the ball in the box and expect people to go and win it.
To go wide, get behind their opponents. Tries a shot. Oh, he saved it. The goalkeeper got to it. Keeper's there. Still a chance. Hit first time. It's there. Goal! Keeper was unlucky, just couldn't hang on to the first attempt.
Well, I feel sorry for him, Clive, but it is a good finish from the striker.
Worth a second look, Andy. Here you go.
Away we go again. Scores 2-0. Got to look after the ball better than that. Reed. Playing it wide, looking to stretch their opponents.
Paez.
Now Reed.
Ball's out of play. Ecuador will have the throw.
Headed away. He's found some space. You've got to work the keeper. That was nowhere near. Gets it back immediately.
Using the full width of the field here. Estrada. Referee has signalled an Ecuador corner.
Save, but there's still danger. Can they get to it? Lofty clearance. He picked someone out.
Not a good cross. No problem for the defence. Half-time whistle. 15 minutes now for the respective coaches to assess what they've seen so far. It's Ecuador getting us going again. They need to get themselves going, to be truthful.
Now, Gray.
Searching pass, looking to play with real width. Here's Dixon.
He's tried his luck. Oh, no, it wasn't the finish that was required. They could have gone further in front.
Rodriguez.
Can he get it in? That's blocked.
Intercepted well, read his opponent's mind there.
Now, Dixon. Gray. Just caught the ball away. It'll be a throw-in. Change of pace here, change of emphasis maybe. It'll be interesting to see where the substitute plays.
Paez.
Caicedo.
Crossed into the danger area. Solid defending.
Is it back straight away?
Referee's given the throw to Ecuador. Headed off the danger there. Saw the pass coming.
Marshall. He can cross it. Gets his head to it. And the keeper saves that header.
Well, that just gives the goalkeeper something to think about. He now knows that whenever this guy gets a chance, he'll have a shot.
The referee has indicated how much stoppage time there will be.
Good save that, managed to hold on. Shoots! Goal! They're within touching distance now, but time's almost up.
Well, better late than never, and who knows, Clive, they could even go and pinch another.
Let's take another look at that, Andy.
Restarts. It's now 2-1.
huge roar greets the final whistle. A real edge out there, always is with this fixture. Any win is a great win when it's over your deadly rivals.
Yeah, that was a really sweet victory. Really good game as well.